Q29. XYZ Private Limited is engaged in trading of parts of machineries used in boiler plants. Company has seen growth of 60% in the sales and management, expecting similar growth in next 3 financial years, and is planning to onboard new dealers in order to achieve management goal. Purchase department also expect to develop new suppliers in order to meet customer demands. Internal auditor of the company has identified frequent changes in the bank account and other master details of suppliers. At this expansion planning phase, company has no defined control to provide assurance on said supplier master changes. Management agreed to develop the process of monthly detailed review of supplier master changes done in supplier master by finance assistant in order to ensure authorized changes in supplier master. One of the members from the management would like to know that above controls falls under which category? A. Automated control. B. Preventive control. C. Detective control. D. Compensating control. The answer is not automated control. It is C. Detective control. Moving on, question 31. The firm from which you are pursuing your articleship training is the internal auditor of ABC Limited. While conducting the audit of the medical expense reimbursements of the company employees, you come across some bills which are clearly not medical in nature, and some others which have been overwritten. During the discussions, the accountant points out that the employee is a functional head who enjoys a significantly higher medical expense reimbursement limit, and that you should ignore those bills as the amount is not material. You will A. Accept the explanation and the bills. B. Recommend that the claim should be reduced and clear guidelines should be issued to all employees on the matter, with a provision for disciplinary action. C. Recommend that the employee be asked to submit fresh bills to avail the tax benefit. D. Recommend that the employee be taxed on the aggregate amount of the suspect bills. The answer is obvious. B. Recommend that the claim should be reduced and clear guidelines should be issued to all employees on the matter, with a provision for disciplinary action. 32. Adequate design and effective implementation of internal controls may not lead to the identification of A. Frauds and errors. B. Design and implementation gaps in processes. C. Abuse by process owners. D. Segregation of duties. The correct option is C. Abuse by process owners. Adequate design and effective implementation of internal controls may not necessarily identify abuse by process owners, as this can involve intentional actions to circumvent controls. Next question. 39. ABC Private Limited uses in-house developed application system for accounting. The auditor observed that user ID and password is mandatory to access the application system and felt that this is a good control. What type of control is this? A. IT general control. B. Application control. C. Detective control. D. Preventive control. The control described, where user ID and password are mandatory to access the application system, is a type of preventive control. Preventive controls are designed to prevent errors or fraud from occurring in the first place. 1.